In a world messed up with crime and corruption, one man looked at the chaos and decided to rewrite the reality. A mysterious notebook, a genius high school student, and a hidden evil that would change the world. But here's the question no one dares to ask. Was Light Yagami born a genius, or did he build himself into one? And more importantly, can you become like him? Light didn't just want to be smart, he wanted to be flawless. Straight A's, top of his class, perfect behavior. Behind that face was a machine in human form. To be like Light, you need obsession. He didn't wait for talent. He chased mastery. Use active recall, Feynman technique, and challenge your mind to solve tougher problems. Ask, if I had to outsmart the smartest person alive, how would I think? Is Light true genius? It wasn't just knowledge. It was strategy. Every move was calculated. Every risk weighed. And every word was designed to manipulate. Train your mind like a battlefield. Learn chess, which will enhance your strategic thinking and will give you the ability to predict moves up ahead. Always think, if I do X, how will my opponent react? Light didn't react emotionally. He anticipated and adapted. Even when cornered, Light never panicked. That calm stare, that fake innocence, that terrifying control made him an evil prodigy. You can't be a genius if you lose to emotion. Master emotional control through meditation and cold exposure. Learn to fake confidence until it becomes real. But beware, Light's genius came at a cost. Isolation, arrogance, collapse. To walk his path is to risk everything. But if you're willing to pay the price, then yes, you can become a genius like Light Yagami.